everyone! Today we will learn English antonyms. Listen and repeat. Happy, happy. Sad, sad. Hopeful, hopeful. Hopeless, hopeless. Kind, kind. Mean, mean. Confident, confident. Shy, shy. Friendly, friendly. Unfriendly, unfriendly. Excited, excited. Bored, bored. Angry, angry. Calm, calm, calm. Polite, polite. Thank you. Rude, rude. Relaxed, relaxed. Stressed, stressed. Brave, brave. Scared, scared. Excellent work, everyone. You learned many English antonyms today. See you next time. Bye-bye.